Solar farm monitoring in ICP USA application story. Solar farms capture energy from the sun using large banks of solar panels. This captured energy is stored in high-capacity batteries, which either store the energy for later or convert the stored energy into AC electricity using inverters. When solar farms capture the energy from the solar panels, the resulting energy is in direct current. Before the energy can be added to the energy grid, it must be converted to alternating current using highly efficient inverters. The goal is to minimize the loss of energy between the process of capturing the energy, storing the energy, and conversion of energy to maximize energy output. To monitor the process, there are two important points which must be monitored. First, the DC voltage and current captured from the solar panels and stored into the batteries. These will tell how much energy is captured. The second value is the AC voltage and current produced and added to the power grid. Using these two values, the solar farm will be able to track and monitor the solar farm's efficiency and keep track of how much energy is produced. ICP-USA has product which can be used to monitor and collect this valuable data. Our analog input modules like our ET7017 have been used by many solar farms recently to capture the current produced by the solar panels. By connecting a current transducer input, which is used to monitor the DC current, around the wire between the solar panel and battery, the amount of DC current can be monitored. In order to monitor the power generated, a PM3000 series power meter can be used. The resulting voltage, current, and power parameters can be measured. The data collected from these two devices is communicated to a central SCADA data logging computer to monitor and log via Modbus TCP. For more information, visit our website at www.icp-usa.com.